where I see many associations today in this traditional column. And these are things that are, I think, fairly clear and obvious to most of us about how most of us have operated for years in terms of how we structure and how we run our associations. And what I believe today is that we need to move beyond those. We need to move into a different model, which I'm calling transformational associations. And it is through the use of technology, as well as sort of changing our mindset about the business we're in, that will help you move from a traditional environment into a transformational. And it's not just because of the environment we're in today with COVID and such, but really it's a trend that started some years ago as we have recognized that technology and in particular digital vehicles and tools are so critical for us to achieve different results in our associations. So how do we do that? How do we achieve what I'm talking about here in terms of that transformational association that's driving bigger numbers in terms of members, driving greater revenues, and expanding our impact, influence, and reach? So first, very obvious, you got to build the largest possible audience. You notice here that throughout this presentation, I use the word audience as much or more than I do member, because one of the things that I believe we as associations should move from is a almost absolute member-only mentality into an audience mentality, because we want to reach those people who are not only the ones who choose to join our association, but we also want to reach all of those audiences that our members engage with, the people that they work for, the people that they work with, the people that work for them, the organizations, government, private industry, all the other entities that intersect and interact with our members. That's when we start talking about audience. Two, we want to drive engagement, as I was talking about before. Getting people is one thing. Actually engaging them so that you keep them, so that they keep coming back to you for things, is very important. And thirdly, the analytics. This is the technological piece that actually is what's going to make 1 and 2 possible.